Hi there, welcome to lesson 3.1, where we're going to look at purchasing and activating the Divi theme. So let's just take a look at what we'll be covering in this lesson. First of all, I will show you where to purchase the Divi theme from. Then we'll go through the different options offered by Elegant Themes. So Elegant Themes are the company that have developed and own Divi. So there are a few different licenses that you can choose between. And then once you've decided which version of the license you want, I'll show you how to firstly download the zip file that you need and then upload it to the website and activate it. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so the backbone of this course is using a theme called the Divi Theme by elegantthemes.com. I've put a link below this video. It's I will disclose it's an affiliate link, so if you purchase your theme by clicking on that link, I do get a small percentage of the sale at no extra cost to you. But if you don't want to do it that way, that's absolutely fine. You can get it directly through elegantthemes.com. So if you just go to their website, and if we just look at the options we've got here. So what they do is when you purchase your license, you get access to all their themes for the same price. And we're only really interested in the Divi theme, but it's nice that it comes bundled with some other things. So you've got your personal license here, which is going to cost you $70 per year. And with that, you get access to all of the themes, all of the updates, you get technical support, and you can use the license as many times as you like. You won't get access to all the plugins, and to be honest, you're probably going to want to use some of those plugins. So I would think about maybe going for this developer license, because then it just gives you everything that you need. Otherwise, you might need, so the plugins I'm talking about, for example, is Bloom, which is one that you can use to connect your website to your email autoresponder. It's a really good plugin, so it's worth the extra $20. There's another one called Monarch, which easily links to your social media. So it's it's a whole cohesive kit. So if you get everything, then it's going to make your life a lot easier. So I would highly recommend this $89 one. So once you've purchased your theme and you have your account, if you just go to login, this is your members area, and scrolling down, what you want is the Divi theme, which is this one here. So if we just click download and just want the theme package, we're not going to worry about the PSD files, you just want this zip file that it downloads, divi.zip. And while we're here, if you just have a look, these are the plugins I'm talking about. So Bloom and Monarch. There's some other ones as well, but these are the two main ones that you would find useful. The Divi Builder is a plugin version of the theme. Now this might make a bit more sense once we're a bit further into the course, but if you've got any existing websites that are built on a different theme, you don't have to throw out the whole theme to get access to the Divi Builder. It's a drag and drop builder. It's really easy to use. So if you already have existing websites that you would like to use this functionality on, the Divi Builder plugin is how you can do that. So once that zip file has finished downloading, just save it somewhere so you know where it is. The key thing here is to not unzip that file. So leave it as a zip file looking just like this, divi.zip. Okay, and then back in the back end of your website, we are going to upload that theme. So if you go to Appearance, Themes, and you can see that your WordPress installation has come bundled with some default WordPress themes. Now you can leave them here, they're just taking up space. What I tend to do is just keep the newest one, so this one's 2016. And just delete the older ones. So you can do that just by clicking and then hitting delete. And the same. And the reason I'm doing this is just you don't want you don't want extra stuff on your website that you don't need, but it's good to just have this sort of backup extra theme, because if you ever need to troubleshoot in the future, one way of doing that is swapping between themes. So you could deactivate Divi and activate this one, and it's just a good way to help you if you do need to troubleshoot. So just leave one of them there. Now to add the new Divi theme, it's just add new, upload theme, choose file, browse to where you saved down the zip file, and then say install. Sorry, click install. Once it's installed, you hit activate. Okay, so now you can see the Divi theme has appeared here. If we go up here and right click and open link in the new tab, we can see the front end of this website. And this is how it now looks. So it's not that default WordPress layout anymore. It's a very simple starting point with the Divi theme underlying it. Okay, so that's it. You've installed the theme and we're ready to move on to the next step.